What's going on, guys? It's your boy Emmanuel back for another video. And today we're gonna be watching some fireworks that are happening. You know, it's the 4th of July. No, I'm just kidding, bro. I'm playing, bro. But there's like this thing with fireworks, and I just want to see them. So I'm recording, so it's pretty dope, pretty lit, fam. Sorry, fam.
Chad wants to drive.
Oh, can I get, wait, what are we doing?
Do you think we should walk? We probably have a few minutes, but I think we should walk.
I'm on my scooter, fam. I'm riding to the spot. Just gonna ride there. Surprised my mom even let me go. But yeah, cat's over there. It's a ride with one hand, which really sucks. It's really dark. It's kind of creepy. If you look into the camera, if you look straight ahead, like I can see a bunch of light. That's the friend's house. It's like 6 people walking in the middle of the street, so it looks weird, but that's why I'm riding. My mom's riding. She let me go. Guys, after that film, fireworks, I had to go home, get some band-aids, you know, I had to go to the hospital, you know, get some stitches, but that's it. This might be uploaded tomorrow, but look how cool that is. For everyone's in their car over there, we're just watching it. I'm just in like the little street area that I always ride my bike in, you know. In Cali right now, it's dope. Those are nice fireworks too. You know, the country club line's too long, so you know we're cheap, so we freaking just like get the same amount of view of. Oh shit! Oh shoot! Shoot! I said shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Of course, dang cars are in the way. Frick, you're already late. The fireworks already started. Boy, get out of here! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! I said oh shoot! Oh poop! Almost fell again. Whoa. Just gonna go over here where everybody is. I don't know why. I don't want to be by myself. That was a good view, and all the dang trees are in the way. Is that LSK? I think I saw LSKs in here. Is that? It looks like LSK. It's like 610. Sorry, I can't see nothing. Everybody's going over here. So. No, I'm taking my car. Oh, there's a cat. Oh, shoot. I don't want to bite. Ooh, let me kill it. Bro, you know when, like, the cat's eyes are, like, yellow? Never want to be. Let's still try to run from me. Where'd he go? Oh, look. Hey, cat. Meow. Kind of look like a dog. Roasted. Ah, get away. Ever since I said that, the cat's just been staring at me. Okay, it's got green eyes. No, it's wild. Or you can't even see anything. Oh yeah, you could. I don't know if you got. Oh shoot. Oh damn. Oh, that's awesome. Let's take a aquarium. Woo! So I just met up with a fan. Race Flag. Go check out his YouTube channel. He's a YouTuber. Whatever. Alright. Freaking beautiful fireworks. And hopefully this video can go. So now, 2 videos in one day. Make it up for the thing. Fidget spinner giveaway. Comment down below. Yeah. Subscribe. Bruh, it's hecka awkward when you're vlogging and people are just looking at you like, the frick is this guy doing? But, video 6 minutes long. I think it's gonna be a good video. Some people get some good laughs out of it, out of me falling. That was freaking hilarious for you guys. Oh, I had fidget spinner in my title, so don't I get 1 million views? What? Oh my god. Man down. I'm hecka annoying, right? Oh, I'll just stop. My homie's over there. It's hecka awkward when you freaking got there. I went by their house too. And I just looked and I was like, oh, that's my friend's house. And then, they just come. He's going to be watching this video. Race Flag, I hope. Man down. People are just looking at me. I want to end this, but this is litty. Those are honestly beautiful. These are good fireworks. Shout out to Brookside. I'm only going to be here for a day. Look, that's just that red flare. Boom, did so much. It's beautiful, bro. That's honestly cool. Oh my gosh, my friends are over there, boy. They're standing on the car, boy. Boy, get your stand. No, I'm just kidding. Standing on the car. I'm asleep. Oh, I can't see nothing. What the freak? The heck's on my screen right there? Okay, never mind. I don't see it no more. Do you see that? It's like to the left. What the heck? Oh my. Someone just said, oh my god, look at that glare though. Look at that glare though. Okay. Alright, let me scoot over here so I don't get that weird out. What the frick? Get out the way, you glare. Alright, let me clean my camera real quick. Okay, kind of fixed it. Just block out this. Frick, I don't know. Right here. Somebody like really close to me. I don't want them to be close to me because I'm by myself. 9-minute, 10-minute video about to be. I'll end the video. I think that's it. The grand finale right here. Boom. Alright, what's gonna be the last firework? What's gonna be the last firework? Freaking 16. Bro, I'll see you guys. Fidget spinner giveaway. Guys, comment down below on this video. Like, subscribe, TM below. And as we always say, Peace. Wait, I gotta have one more.